Small business owners, if you ever applied for business funding and got denied, or you're confused about how the process actually works, this video is for you. Many entrepreneurs believe funding only comes from traditional banks, but the truth is there are many funding options available today. In this video, I'm going to break down how business funding works step by step, what lenders really look for, and how small businesses are getting approved for $25,000, $50,000, or even $500,000 or more in capital. So if you're a restaurant owner, contractor, trucking company, retail store, or service business, stay with me because this information can help position your business for funding. My name is Demetrius Harris, and I help small business owners access funding for their businesses. I talk with entrepreneurs every day who need capital for things like hiring employees, buying equipment, expanding their business, covering payroll, managing cash flow. But many of them simply don't understand how the funding process actually works. Today, I'm going to simplify it for you. Why small businesses need funding. Funding plays a critical role in business growth. Even profitable companies sometimes need capital to operate and expand. Common reasons small businesses seek funding include purchasing equipment, buying inventory, expanding locations, marketing and advertising, hiring employees, managing seasonal slow periods. The right funding at the right time can help a business grow faster and stay competitive. The key factors lenders look at. When lenders evaluate a business for funding, they typically look at several key factors, which is time in business. Most lenders want to see at least 6 months to 2 years of operation. Monthly revenue. Revenue helps lenders determine if their business can support funding payments. Credit profile. Some lenders check personal credit while others focus more on business cash flow. Bank activity. Consistent deposits and stable banking activity show that the business is active. Industry. Type of certain industries are considered lower risk than others. These factors help determine approval amounts and funding options. There are several types of funding programs available to small businesses. Business term loans, a lump sum of capital repaid over time. Business line of credit, flexible capital businesses can access when needed. Revenue-based funding, funding based primarily on business revenue. Equipment financing, funding used to purchase trucks, machines, or equipment. SBA loans, government-backed programs with strict qualifications. Each funding option serves a different purpose depending on the business. Now, why many businesses get denied? Many business owners apply for funding and get rejected. And here are some common reasons. Insufficient revenue, too many overdrafts in the bank account, short time of business, poor credit history, incomplete documentation. Understanding these issues can help you avoid common funding mistakes. How modern business funding works. Today, many small businesses access funding through alternative lenders and funding platforms. Instead of relying on one bank, businesses can be matched with multiple funding programs. Each lender has different requirements, which increases the chance of approvals. Some programs prioritize revenue, business performance, industry stability, cash flow. This is why many businesses can still qualify for funding even if banks say no. Now, how to improve your approval chances. If you're planning to apply for business funding, here are some tips to improve your chances. Keep consistent deposits in your business bank account. Avoid frequent overdraft. Maintain accurate financial records. Build business credit when possible. Apply when revenue is stable. These steps can help position your business for larger funding approvals. Funding opportunities for business owners depend on revenue and business profile. Many companies can qualify for $25,000 to $500,000 or more in funding. This capital could be used for expansion, payroll, inventory, equipment, marketing, working capital. The key is understanding which funding programs best fit your business. If you're a business owner and you'd like to see what your business qualifies for, you can apply using the link below. Also, if you found this video helpful, like this video, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. I create content every week explaining how business funding works for different industries. And if you have questions, comment funding below and I'll help point you in the right direction. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.